I'm Kevin Robinson from Chrysalis Partners. It amazes me how many marketing pieces I see without a clear call to action. So here's a quick reminder on why and how to use them. Without a call to action, you'll miss out on a lot of inquiries for your products and services. There's no trigger to tell the prospect what to do, so they'll end up doing nothing. You'll miss out on a lot of leads and you'll waste your marketing spend. So when creating marketing materials, you need to picture your prospects as lazy sloths. It takes them an enormous amount of effort to even answer the phone. So make it really easy for them. Add a call to action to tell them exactly what you want them to do next. The minimum would be, for more information, call today on 01926. But better yet, summarise your offer, provide multiple ways to respond, and tell them what will happen when they respond. It sounds simple, but so many marketing pieces miss the call to action. I hope you found this tip useful. If you'd like a discussion on how I can help grow your business, call today on 07307 884 853 or send me a message on LinkedIn. Thanks.